Alright, collectors and builders, we are back for another edition of the 124th news. Let's get started with Hexagear. And people, if you haven't already gotten the Governor Ignite Spartan as well as the Zeke Springer, they are out. And here is the first look of the archive cards. Over here we can see that the governor, it's almost like they are going for a war, parading in town. There's a little girl giving a flower to the knight. It's almost like, hey, you are our only hope. Cut to the next scene. They're in the middle of battle, and again, great artwork, right? Most of these Hexagear kits actually come with the archive cards. And now let's talk about the Governor Ignite Spartan. This is actually the upgraded version of the Governor Ignite. And of course, you've got these oversized weapons such as the lance. It is so big to the point that they have to call it the Colossal Lance, and the shield, right? But this guy comes with a gun, a shotgun, and there are a bunch of different things as well. You actually get two helmets, one without the plume and one with the plume. Not only that, people, you should be excited, very excited about the new hip joint structure. Apart from that, we also get a cover for the hexagram, right? So if you're not using the base, you can cover it with this armor right here. Let's move on to the horse, the Zeke Springer. I mean, every knight needs a horse, right? But this horse comes with a horn with wings. It's almost like a unicorn. And one of the cool things about this horse is that you can actually unmount the neck or the head, and you can put a governor on it. And then you've got this bump up expander. The size, it fits well. You can also replace the governors with your frame arms girls, your Megami device girls. It looks absolutely fantastic. And guys, if you're not into the dark blue color scheme, don't worry, because Hexagear has just announced that they're gonna be releasing a red color variation in August. So this is the Queen's Guard limited edition Zeke Springer, but it comes with a base, right? It comes with a base for the horse. The color matches with the Queen's Guard, which will be out later in April, but this thing costs a little bit more. Okay, the red horse, it's gonna cost you about $50 US. The dark blue horse is gonna cost you about $40 US. Same but different. And of course, we're gonna talk about Vthor. They have released the color, and guys, I called this in my previous episode. Man, I'm super excited, very happy that it's the same color scheme to the Lord of Zotax, to the Governor A1, X1. It looks great. In terms of the height, it is 20.6 centimeter, which is a little bit taller than your Balcom Alpha. Highly articulated. You can do a lot of poses. I won't be surprised if Vthor moves like an action figure, right? So just check out the movement that you can do with the legs, the arms, just about anything, man. So the VThor comes with 3 different weapons. You've got the sword, and if you attach it to the back, it is as tall as 28 centimeter, right? And you've got this sci-fi futuristic Tommy gun and a convertible shield, which you can use as a hoverboard as well. And in terms of design, you've got the cockpit attached to the back of the mech, which is something pretty new in this Hexagear line. Apart from that, you've got all these holes, right? It looks very organic, all these hexagonal holes. One of the things is that you can actually see the pilot at the chest area, and of course, you can replace that with the frame arms scroll. So Hexagear posted this not too long ago. You've got this purple looking sword, right? This is actually a bonus for pre-order in selected Japanese stores. And guys, again, it looks amazing. This is what you paid for, people. Premium plastic model kits. So one of the things I like about Hexagear and the Kotobukiya kits would be the potential or the ability to kit bash, customize. I mean, just check this out. You can use the sword for Go-Rai. I think this is Go-Rai, but you can also customize the VThor, attach parts from the Lord of Zotacs and give it a different look. Not only that, people, you can also put the 112 frame arm scroll in the VThor. Looks absolutely amazing. It's gonna cost you a bomb, about $70 US. Apart from Hexagear, it's been a pretty quiet month for the World of 124th. We haven't heard much from number 57. We are supposed to be getting these sharks in March, but there's no news. And we're also supposed to see these bonus parts as well as the 2.0 core body in the Wonder Festival, but unfortunately it has been delayed. Wonder Festival 2022 in Shanghai is not happening for now because of COVID. There's a delay and we're just gonna deal with it. Speaking of delay, the Empire Sky Studio will be pushing back these 2 plastic model kits. The first one is the chappy looking robot, which comes with an LED in the chest, which you can convert it to a wolf or mecha dog. We are not getting them in March. Instead, we're gonna be getting them in April. So here's the prototype. I have shared this with you before, but in case you missed the news, you're also gonna be getting a display base, which is customizable. You can turn it into a DJ booth or a huge bug. And here's the second kit that will be pushed back to June or July. This is a dragon, and this guy, his name is Sandy from Journey to the West. Apparently, we will be getting more than 100 parts for these plastic model kits. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please click like, share, and subscribe. Keep watching. I really appreciate you guys. I will talk to you guys the next time.